When it comes to creating amazing 3D models or 3D environments in Blender, there are a few Blender add-ons in Blender Market that can help you get the job done faster and better, and take your projects to the next level. Are you looking for a powerful liquid simulation tool to use in Blender? Look no further than the Flip Fluids add-on. This powerful tool is based on the popular flip simulation method. Flip Fluids add-on is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you set up, run, and render liquid simulations with ease. When it comes to liquid simulation, you should always choose the right tool for the job. And while the Flip Fluids add-on might not be the right tool for every job, it's certainly one of the best when it comes to simulating liquids in Blender. With its powerful engine and intuitive controls, the Flip Fluids add-on is the perfect tool for creating realistic liquid simulations. So if you're looking for a powerful liquid simulation tool for Blender, look no further than the Flip Fluids add-on.